Okay, so I just forgot literally that quick. Nate is going to bring me a spray bottle so that I can use the Stay Flow starch. Stay Flow is going to make it like, this is the best starch for when you're a correctional officer. So I'm going to use that, but I didn't have a spray bottle. I gave my spray bottle with that in it to my daddy. So he's just bringing me a Stay Flow bottle, with a bottle to put it in. And then I'll finish doing that, and I'll probably, well, I will run back over my pants for a little bit and then finish doing the shirt. Nate says it's going to make my creases stay a little bit longer, because me just using water, I do just run it over, just because, I mean, I'm just me. Some people don't. Once they run over that first time, then you know they don't do it again and again and again. But me, I do it like if I wear my pants over, then I'll do it like that. But if not, then you know, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm finna get back in the bed, and just wait for him to get here, because he just got off work and he at Walmart and he getting everything I need. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So I get this up out of here. So I just took down my braids and everything, and I just basically conditioned or moisturized my hair. I use this right here for anti-breakage, and I also use coconut oil in my hair, and I've only been using this since we got sprayed, and I have literally seen a big difference in my hair. My braids are redone. My mama didn't mess them up yet again. But whatever. I got one all the way up here that's supposed to be down here, and I got one that's down here, and it could have been up there, but oh well. If I feel like I need to take it down, then I take it down. I let my sister do it, but it really doesn't matter to me. So yeah, I'm cleaning up and stuff, straightening up. I'm straightening up until 12. I'm gonna give me a 2 to 3 hour nap. It's 10:46 right now. Give me a 2 to 3 hour nap, and then I'm gonna get up and start getting my stuff ready so that I can get ready for work. I just been basically spraying down stuff. I'm gonna mop before I go to sleep. So yeah, Winnie is up right now. We need to go. Y'all, it did go away. I busted last night and it's kind of down, but I'm not gonna mess with it no more. But I'm gonna go in a minute, probably before I mop. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna give me some gas in my car, do a fill up and all of that good stuff. So that's that on that. But I am gonna talk to y'all a little bit later. Oh, I got some money on my Cash App. Let me go put this on my but I'm gonna head to the gas station just to get some gas, and I'm gonna put some heat in my car first just to see how that is gonna do, and then we're gonna head somewhere. Where we gonna go? That's it. That's the only place we gotta go. We just gotta go get some gas because I don't wanna, I always leave late and I just never have enough time to go get gas and all that good stuff. So I never have time to go get gas. I didn't put on the bra either because I'm not going inside the store. I'm just going to use my I know it's shaking just a little bit. Alright y'all, I'm back. So right now I am fixing to make my mop water up. So I'm fixing to put some Clorox. I'm gonna put Fabuloso.
Mama.
I'm also gonna pour some of this in there. And that should be good. Water, and I might mix a little bit of soap up in it. Other than that, that's what's gonna go. So, Winnie, say hi.
Hi guys. I just heard Tiger Blaze.
Show them Tiger Blaze.
Yeah.
Show 'em.
Yeah.
Hold it up so they can see. Tiger Blaze.
That Tiger Blaze is going to level. He fish you. That can't do it.
Oh, your nose running.
I can't do it, Mama.
Alright, y'all, so right now I'm fixing to start on packing all my lunch and stuff. I'm gonna set y'all up about right here so that y'all can see everything that I make and everything that I pack. Club, finna go in and see if we can find some shrimp. Look at mommy. The cheese. You ready? Let's go find grandma.
Let's go find grandma. She right there. Right there,
There you go, you just dropped the pin.
I'm not gonna let you.
You're not gonna do it?
I'm not gonna help you. What's that?
Hit the unlock. Move.
I see an airplane.
Go.
I see an airplane.
Yeah, you see an airplane. Go on over there, go get in your car seat so we can go get some food, okay? Go get in your car seat. Car seat. Yeah, I'm gonna get you a piece of candy. Is anywhere for this water though? I'm gonna move it up here. You just leave that. What you eating? Fries.
Hi.
know, but you can't ride the fire truck, Winnie. It's too muddy over there. I'm gonna let you take an up close picture, but it's too muddy. Come on, it's cold outside. Get him an OOTD. Show them your shirt. Who you got on it? George.
George.
Come here, George. Go, run to Papa. Chandler, run to Papa. Go to Papa. To the truck. To the truck. Come here, to the truck. Come here. Hey, what's up? So right now we're at the gas station. Winnie just went and took pictures with the fire truck. Right, Winnie? Well, in front of it. It was too muddy out there, so we couldn't
I'm a shit to buy.
but
I'm a shit to buy. That's a Mima.
he said, alright, y'all, so it is like almost 9 o'clock. We just got back from Memphis, and I just look so sweet. I really wish I could find like a lot of these. I'm gonna start shopping at Target because I got this from Target from the clearance section when I was in Texas, I want to say, last year, or St. Louis, or I don't know, but somewhere. But yeah, I just really love this. I love the fabric of it, and like if I was to ever get pregnant again, like I'd be rocking shit like this, like. But yeah, so we're back though. I'm gonna show y'all what all I got from Sam's Club. Some of my stuff is not here. It's still left in the truck. I asked them did they get everything mine, and they did. Alright, y'all, so we ready. We in this thing, okay? But besides that, so I bought just a couple things. I mean, it really wasn't really much to choose from Sam's Club because basically everything was gone. When I tell you everything was gone, everything was gone. So only thing left basically in the store is candy and junk food. So what I did buy, I bought some pistachios. This was, I think, $15. 15, yeah. 15 something. Then I got us some blueberry pancakes and sausage on the stick. Those kind. And then Tom said he wanted some Pringles. So I got him some Pringles. I don't know why the hell they be giving more of the original than the other kind. But whatever. But he got a box of these. It's a 48 pack. So yeah. And I also, this was an impulse buy, but I needed some candy. So we got some of these Sour Patch things, Sour Punch, like individually wrapped. We used to get these when I was in 2nd grade. I was in 2nd grade, and my teacher, like, if we got an answer right, then she would give us these. So they're just in little packs and everything, so that's good. And then, oh, okay, so I bought some little bites. That's 20 packages of cupcakes, chocolate chip cupcakes. Is it chocolate chip? Yeah, chocolate chip muffins. So we're gonna see that. He got chocolate chip pancakes up in there. He finna enjoy these chocolate chips that he got going on. And then they had pajama sets, 2 for $10. So 10 and 10. So dinosaurs with both of them. If y'all have not realized, Winnie loves dinosaurs, and he can tell you every dinosaur. Winnie! He can tell you every dinosaur that's on here. Come here.
Yeah.
What kind of dinosaur is this?
A Tyrannosaurus.
And what kind of dinosaur is this?
A Stegosaurus.